Basta guys, patingin ng progress niya. Okay, very faint yung pusa eh, but I'm sure nandyan yan. Um, I'm sure nandyan yan. Sige, wala pa makitang pusa eh. Um, sige. Next step is, I want you to do what I did, yung kunin niyo yung fine tip brush, tapos dip nyo sa black with a bit of water, tapos trace out nyo yung outline nyo ng, from the pencil. Okay? Using yung black paint dito. Nice your progress, guys. Okay, so, ayan, sige, good. Wait, patingin ulit, Gabriel. Yung ano, yung square head sa baba, bawasan mo, like, di ba ganito siya? Di ba ganito yung itsura, yung gilid? Bawasan mo pa siya like this. What you can do is, lagyan mo ng black paint outline yung area na to, yung correction part. Tapos yung original square shape, takpan mo siya ng paint later na same color nung background. Okay? Anong color yung, pati nga ulit, anong color yung background? Okay, so red. Takpan mo siya ng red paint later. Okay? That's how you cover up yung mistakes in painting. Takpan mo siya ng takpan mo siya ng same color ng background. More or less. If, so long as outline pa lang siya. Look at this, guys. So, di ba pinaint ko na yung orange and white portions. Dito sa taas, dinadry brush ko lang yung taas. Kasi 'di ba, no, may areas of fur sa pusa na parang nagtra-transition yung two colors. So ayun. Sige. Let's add a bit more orange. L'orange. Ayan, parang siyang Shrek green. Ayan, Shrek green. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shade. She was looking kinda dumb with a finger and her thumb in the shape of a nail on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't start coming. Back to the rules and they hit the ground running. To the next one, when you do so fun. The brain gets numb, but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to do, so much everything to back sweet. You never know if you don't grow. You never shine if you don't grow. Hey now, you're a rock star. But you came on away. Hey now, you're a rock star. You're one. All the glitters and gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. Sige, lalagyan natin yan ng second layer of slight yellow lang. Just a little bit of yellow. Ayan, nice. Luis, akala ko yung sa'yo parang owl. Ano siya eh? First second parang siyang owl eh. Could you i-darken mo pa yung orange around sa fur? Especially sa head, kailangan natin i-distinguish between yung orange tapos yung white patch. May mga cats naman na isang single-toned orange or orange-white pero may mga patches sa fur pa rin sila na separate eh. And hindi siya recognizable as kagad as a cat eh, kapag ganun yung itsura. Ito yung ito yung itsura eh. Sige, tapat mo on screen, Natalie. And yung si ano, si Perito, yung therapy dog. This oh yeah, no, that's good despite yung similarity na nakikita ko dito. It's more so the fact that nakuha mo yung um, shape tsaka yung appearance na hinahanap natin for a cartoon cat. Okay? So, that's good. Natalie, medyo malabo. Could you please push it forward pa? Guys, hold on. Tignan nyo to. We have a visitor. This is Aubrey. This is my pet cat. Aubrey, oh, this is, look at that. That's you. Ay, sige. May paint. May paint kamay mo. Mamaya na, ha? So, yun. It's cute, diba, Gabriel? Sabi mo. Hay nako. Pero ingay niya ngayon Ganun siya ngayon, siguro gutom. So, naghahanap ng food. Ayan. So far, ito yung cat ko. How about sa inyo guys? Patingin nga ng progress. Ah, yeah. I like na may variety ng ng styles. Very distinct talaga yung styles niyo. I can tell. Yung kay Natalie, naging si Perito from Puss in Boots 2. Parang long lost cousin. I like na naglagay ka ng yellow flowers sa tabi niya. Tapos yung kay Queen, para siyang alam mo yung Aristocats? Ito, sir, pa ito sa'yo. Aristocats. Parang na-imagine ko may ganito. Ito. Ito Queen, no, look. Sa screen. Yung ganyan yung nakikita ko eh. Yung ganyang thick outline, tapos expressive face. Tapos kay Luis, yung sa Luis parang impressionistic painting. Ito ito. Let's go. Pinakikita ko look. Ayan, Luis, look. Ito yung landscape nung nakikita ko sa iyo. Yeah. Yung ganun eh. Sa Home Alone, ganito. Alright, sige. Ako naman, it's my reflections. Personally, yung pinaka natuwa ko na seeing na artworks from you is yung sa inyong lahat is yung paintings, because I was really I was just very delighted and pleased to see yung progress nyo in following instructions and being able to mix your own version into it. In terms of favorite lesson, each day naman was significant on its own eh. Nagkaroon tayo ng challenges, but we were able to push through, and I'm really glad na we were able to do it ng maayos. Um, Ako guys, this is my first ever online art workshop, believe it or not. And yeah, first time ko. And I'm really happy and proud of myself na I was able to teach you guys well. And gusto ko lang din na na mag-pass the torch. What I have many torches. Okay lang, it's okay. I have many torches, pero I wanna pass the flame of learning and art appreciation to all of you, so that you will be able to use it in whatever art na you wanna do, whether it's painting or animation or digital illustration or drawing or sculpture. It's up to you. You can apply that sa lahat, guys. It's universal, okay? This is not the end in our workshop. Well, it is the end of our workshop, but it is the beginning of your art career, and I know marami pa kayong ma-experience soon, okay? So as much as possible, keep your eye and your mind, keep your eye sharp and your mind open for the possibilities of what you can do in art. Okay? Because art is everywhere, guys. It's in nature and it's in design, and it's up to you how you're gonna be able to make it into your own artworks.